Rovos Rail is considered one of the most luxurious trains in the world, often called the Pride of Africa. This elegant train offers breathtaking journeys across the country, from Pretoria to Cape Town, Durban, and even as far as Victoria Falls and Namibia. Designed in a vintage style, Rovos Rail features beautifully restored coaches with private luxury suites, fine dining cars, and an observation coach that allows passengers to enjoy panoramic views of South Africa's diverse landscapes. From golden savannas and dramatic mountain ranges to deserts and lush green valleys, every journey feels like stepping back into a glamorous golden age of travel. On board, guests experience world-class service, gourmet cuisine, and the charm of old-world elegance blended with modern comfort. In South Africa, Rovos Rail is not just a train journey. It is an unforgettable luxury adventure that combines culture, nature, and history in a truly unique way. In South Africa, Rovos Rail stands as a symbol of timeless elegance, luxury, and adventure, often described as the Pride of Africa. Established with the vision of reviving the golden era of train travel, Rovos Rail carries its passengers across some of the most breathtaking landscapes on the African continent. The journeys begin from the capital city of Pretoria, where the Grand Rovos Rail station welcomes travelers with old-world charm, and continue towards iconic destinations such as Cape Town with its majestic Table Mountain, the thunderous Victoria Falls, the warm beaches of Durban, and even the vast deserts of Namibia and the remote plains of Tanzania. The train itself is a masterpiece of design, blending vintage 1920s-1930s coaches with modern luxury. Each suite offers private accommodation with en-suite bathrooms, elegant wooden finishes, and large windows framing Africa's ever-changing scenery. Dining on board is an unforgettable experience, with chefs serving gourmet meals accompanied by South African wines, all presented in a dining car adorned with fine crystal, silverware, and classic decor. Beyond fine dining, the observation car at the rear of the train provides passengers with panoramic views of wildlife roaming freely across savannas, dramatic mountain passes, lush vineyards, and endless golden horizons. Traveling on Rovos Rail in South Africa is more than just a journey. It is a step back in time to an age when travel was romantic, unhurried, and filled with grace. It combines the opulence of a luxury hotel with the thrill of a safari and the beauty of Africa's natural wonders. For many travelers, it is not simply transportation, but an immersive adventure that captures the spirit, culture, and soul of South Africa in the most unforgettable way. Locomotive sparkles.